If you are holding a $1,000 phone in your hand right now and you're not using it to make money online, then you need to listen up. My name is Jill. I'm 46 years old with a child under 10 years old. And in less than a year, I've made over $250,000. And I did it in my spare time while working a full-time job, staying home with my son because I am a single mom. Want to know how I did it? I did it by promoting and reviewing other people's products and services online for just 1 to 2 hours a day on my phone. This is known as affiliate marketing. What I do is known as high-ticket affiliate marketing. It just means that the products I promote cost more, so the commissions are higher. No, it's not an MLM and it's not a pyramid scheme. I don't hold any inventory. I don't cold message or cold call anyone. Just a relationship between me and the brand. You can choose whatever brand or product that you want to promote. From there, all you do is create content. You can even choose the kind of content that you want to use to promote the product. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. People are doing this, making thousands of dollars from home. But the number one thing I see people struggle with when they start to do this is they try and do it on their own. They use Google and YouTube, that's their only research. They get super overwhelmed with how to start and how to scale this up to 6 figures. You want to learn the same as me? Then comment below, learn, or use the link in my profile to get started.